Hello everyone, this is Shefali here. Today I am going to discuss with you topic matter and what are the different properties of matter. What is this matter? First of all, what is matter? As we all know, everything around us is made up of some materials, and these materials only in scientific terms are known as matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, the clothes that we wear, the houses where we live, the paper on which we write, the ink, the pen, the wood, salt, plants, animals, stars, clouds, everything is made up of some materials, and these materials are known as matter. Even a drop of water also is a matter. In short, we can say that anything that occupies space and has mass is known as matter, and the presence of which can be felt with any of our five senses is a matter. Like the house where we are living is having mass and is occupying space also, so it is a matter. And gas ammonia, it doesn't have mass, but its presence can be felt with our senses. It has a pungent smell that can be felt with our nostrils. So anything that occupies space and has mass is known as matter, and whose presence can be felt with any of the five senses. Now, what are the different properties of this matter? Number first property is the particles of matter are very tiny in nature. They are very small, that we can see them with the help of a powerful microscope. For explaining that, I am just taking an example of KMnO4. What is this KMnO4? KMnO4 is potassium permanganate. Suppose I am taking a beaker over here. It contains 100 ml of water. I am adding 2 to 3 pellets of KMnO4. 2 to 3 pellets of KMnO4, and I am making a KMnO4 solution over here. What is this solution? Solution have further two components, solute and solvent. Solute is always present in lesser amount, and solvent is present in large amount. Like if we'll make a sugar solution, and that sugar is a solute and water is a solvent in which we are dissolving that. What we are adding is solute, and in which we are adding that is solvent. Now this is a solution of KMnO4. Now I am taking 10 ml, and it is having a purple color. I am taking 10 ml from this solution and adding 90 ml of water, making it a 100 ml solution. Now what we will see that in this 100 ml solution, here the color was purple and color changes to light pink. If we'll repeat this dilution This is dilution. This is called as dilution, where I am taking 10 ml and adding 90 ml of water. More amount of solvent I am adding. That is called as dilution. Now, if we will repeat this process 2-3 times, what we will see a very lightest. The color will be the lightest, and but still the color will appear out. That shows that the particles of matter are that tiny, that small, that they are getting transferred in each and every dilution. For this, we can take another example that you can perform at your home also. If you take Dettol, it always comes in concentrated form. If you will dilute it, then also 2, 3, 4 times. If you will add 1 cap of Dettol in a big tub, then also you can smell it and you can feel the presence. In this way, we can say that the particles of metal are very tiny, that they still give their appearance in on all the dilutions. Next property is the particles of matter are continuously moving. Are continuously moving. For this, I'll take an experiment. Suppose I am taking little bit of water and I am adding 2 to 3 drops of this ink. See, I am not stirring it yet. But we can see that the color of this water has changed entirely to red color. That shows the particles are moving continuously. I have not stirred it, the color changes by its own. That shows the particles are moving continuously, that the whole water changes to a red color. So we can say that the particles of matter are continuously moving. The third property is particles of matter has spaces among them. This also we can understand by taking an example. I am just making a salt solution over it. I am taking this water and I am adding 1 to 2 gram of salt in it, and I am stirring it. But we will see after some time the whole salt has dissolved in the water, but the level of the water will remain the same. The level of the water has not changed. That shows the particles of matter. Water is a matter that has spaces among them where the particle of salt got adjusted. In this way, we can say that the particles of matter has spaces among them. Now, the next property is the particles of matter has forces of attraction. Among them. The particle of matter has forces of attraction among them. For example, this is a solid, we know, everyone knows. This is a solid, it has particles. It is a matter, it has mass also and it is occupying space also. It is a matter. So it is in solid. The particles are combined together with strong forces of attraction. That's why it is a solid. So we can say that the particles of matter has forces of attraction among them. That's why uh, this is a solid and water is a liquid, because the forces of attraction among the particles of matter are lesser of water has are lesser than the solids. That's why it has the tendency to flow. So we can say that the particle of matter has forces among them. Thank you and have a nice day.